Okay. Morning, Mr. Mohan.
Good morning.
You see the documents I have given to you.
Yes, I see them.
Yes, what is written outside?
Statement regarding interview with the suspect.
What is Baloyi statement regarding interview with suspect?
Okay. Let's go to paragraph 1.
Paragraph ya mathomo.
What is the paragraph lokuqala?
You can place it on the record. What is the SAP number for that form?
SAP number ya yona mo formong eo e reng?
What is SAP number ya kulelo form?
SAP 3M in bracket small m.
SAP 3M in brackets small m.
Yes. My lord, it's SAP 3M in brackets small letter m. Yes, continue read after the emblem. South African Police Service, read it.
South African Police Service instruction statement regarding interview with suspect.
Bathi ke yilapho kufunda khona ukuthi kwakuqhubeka ngesikhathi kukhulunywa nomsoko.
Yes. Can you read paragraph 1? Completion on statement.
Paragraph ya mathomo.
Completion of statement. The station commander must consult with the prosecutor on circumstances in which the prosecutor requires that the witness statement of a suspect be obtained.
Uprosecutor kufanele akhulume. Uprosecutor ke ufanele akhulume.
It's the other way around.
A.
The station commander must consult.
Station commander kufanele akhulume no-prosecutor ezindaweni lapho ke u-prosecutor edinga ukuthi kube kukhishwe warning statement kamsolwa.
Can you just read the whole paragraph so that yes, thank you.
In every such case, the suspect must be interviewed and this statement must be completed. This statement must be completed every time the suspect is interviewed, irrespective of whether the suspect is arrested or not.
Zonke izikhathi umsolo uma kufanele ukhulume naye kufanele lesi statement sigcwaliswe. Le statement ke kufanele ukuthi sifanele sigcwaliswe ngazo zonke izikhathi lapho ke umsolo ukukhulunywa naye. Ungabhekiwe ukuthi umsolo useboshiwe noma akakaboshwa.
Paragraph B.
Paragraph ya boraro.
3.
Paragraph B.
B.
Yes.
The member who conducts the interview with the suspect is to complete the statement fully in the presence of the suspect.
Kuthiwa ke ozobe khuluma ke nomsolwa ufanele agcwalise ngokuphelele istatement lesi phambi kukamsolwa.
Okay. Paragraph C.
Paragraph C.
If there is not enough space on any of the pages, the member must continue on a separate follow page. This follow must be signed by a member, suspect, interpreter, and the commission of oath, and must be attached to the statement.
Lana ke uma ingekho indawo eyanele ekhasini iphasa kufanele liqhubeke libhale kwelinye ikhasi leli khasi lifanele lisayindwe futhi ilona liphoyisa umsolwa utoliki futhi ke kube ne commissioner of oaths and futhi lifanele linamathiselwe ku statement.
Paragraph D.
Paragraph D.
The Commissioner of Oath must sign on every page of the statement.
Kuthiwa-ke uCommissioner of Oath kufanele asayine wonke amakhasi statement.
Yes, paragraph.
The Commissioner of Oath must sign on every page of the statement. If the suspect is a child below the age of 18, the parent, guardian, an appropriate adult must sign every page of the statement.
So uma kuwukuthi-ke umsolwa useyingane engaphansi kweminyaka eyishumi umzali noma omgcinayo noma-ke umuntu omdala okhona ufanele asayine wonke amakhasi estatimende.
As a court, please, my lord. Sorry to interrupt my learned friend. The state objects against this line of cross-examination by my learned friend. Firstly, we don't see what the relevance of this cross-examination is. Secondly, the witness said yesterday that the interview on the 17th was not a warning statement. And if one looks at what the exercise that my learned friend is busy with, this regards a warning statement, unless if my learned friend intends on canvassing a warning statement of accused accused number 2 with the witness. But if one looks at paragraph 1, it states clearly there that this form is applicable in the case of a warning statement, and that in that case, the station commander must consult with the prosecutor. So whatever follows, my lord, is subject to the obtaining of a warning statement and not an interview that the witness has testified about.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, my lord. My lord, I think I've clarified this yesterday, my lord.
No, clarify it again because Mr. Baloyi is now objecting.
Yes.
You remember my comments yesterday?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, I am not referring the witness to this paragraph because I'm saying that this document was signed or completed by any of the accused.
Fine. What is that document?
It is a warning statement, my lord. And
Okay, fine. Accordingly,
it's the instructions that are given, yes.
when one wants to take a warning statement,
For the police officer to record when he's interviewing the suspect, my lord.
is it for an interview or for the taking of a warning statement?
It is for an interview, my lord. That's why I read paragraph 2, because
Okay,
it says
fine.
the member, paragraph B, my lord. It says,
Let's start from the beginning. What is that document for? Because Mr. Baloyi says it precedes the taking of a warning statement, and you are saying it's for an interview.
my lord, if I can just repeat myself, my lord, yesterday the witness testified that they were interviewing the suspect in the
Right, fine.
courtroom.
Yes, yes.
Then my question was, my lord, was it recorded? Then I said, where was it recorded? Then I went back to this form to say, this form says the member who conducts the interview with the suspect has to complete this statement fully in the presence of the suspect. And
Okay.
paragraph A, my lord, says, irrespective of whether the suspect has been arrested or not. In other words, my lord, whenever there is an interview between the police and the suspect, that interview has to be recorded because there are allegations, there are constitutional rights that are explained by the police officers at that time.
Fine. And this form, what is it for? The very form. Is it for an interview?
It's for the statement regarding interview with suspect. It's written clearly on the instructions, my lord. In statement regarding interview with the suspect.
Yes, Mr. Baloyi.
And as a court, please, my lord, this is where, with the greatest of respect, we submit that my learned friend misses the point.
Why don't you bring, okay, you know what,
Yes.
just bring me the law,
Yes.
okay, because you're
Yeah.
at different
Yes.
poles.
Yes,
Can you
but-
give me the authority you're relying on?
Yes.
And please, Ms. Mshololo, give me the authority you're relying on.
Yes, but
Can you adjourn for that?
yes, but can we just make this one point before we adjourn, my lord? Just this one point. If one looks at paragraph A, it says clearly the station commander must consult with the prosecutor in circumstances in which the prosecutor requires that a warning statement.
So the prosecutor must also be involved.
Yes, and this is the emphasis must fall on warning statement. The station commander must consult with the prosecutor in circumstances in which the prosecutor requires that a warning statement of a
taken.
suspect be obtained. And secondly, it says in every such case, in other words, in every such case where a warning statement is required. It doesn't refer to any interview with the suspect. And my learned friend is now opines that in every instance, when a police officer conducts an interview with the suspects, then this process must be followed. It's only in the case of a warning statement.
And that, as I understand the law, that
Yes.
precedes the charging
Yes.
of the suspect.
In
Okay, can you get me the law so that we don't argue in a vacuum?
As the court
How long do you
pleases.
want me to adjourn?